Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Adobe. But we're not talking about the usual suspects like Photoshop or Illustrator. No. We're exploring some lesser-known gems in the Adobe suite that you might not have heard of yet. So, buckle up and let's discover some uncommon Adobe apps that might just change your creative game. First up, let's talk about Adobe Aero. Have you ever dreamt of bringing your designs to life in augmented reality? Well, Aero lets you do just that. With Aero, you can easily create immersive AR experiences using your existing Adobe projects. Whether it's a logo, a 3D model, or an entire scene, Aero lets you place and view your designs in the real world through your device's camera. It's like magic. Next on our list is Adobe Fresco. Now, if you're a fan of digital painting or illustration, Fresco is a game changer. It combines the power of raster and vector brushes with the feel of natural media, giving you the ultimate digital painting experience. Plus, it seamlessly syncs with your other Adobe apps. So you can start a project on your iPad and finish it up on your desktop without missing a beat. Now, you might have heard of Adobe XD, but it's still not as widely known as some of the other Adobe apps. XD is a powerful tool for designing and prototyping user experiences for websites and mobile apps. It's packed with features like responsive resizing, auto-animate, and voice prototyping, making it a must-have for you, IR UX designers, and anyone else involved in digital product design. Last but certainly not least, we have Adobe Character Animator. This app is a game changer for animators, allowing you to bring your characters to life in real time using your webcam and microphone. Simply rig up your character in Photoshop or Illustrator, and then let Character Animator do the rest. It's perfect for creating animated shorts, explainer videos, or even live streaming your own animated show. And there you have it, folks. Some uncommon Adobe apps that are definitely worth checking out. Whether you're into augmented reality, digital painting, user experience design, or animation, there's something here for everyone. So, next time you're feeling creative, why not give one of these apps a try? Trust me, you won't be disappointed. As always, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay updated on all our latest videos. Until next time, happy creating!